Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to a brand new video here outside. No, we're not in the lab today. I was also kind of late, so forgive me for the lack of lighting. But I decided to do this experiment very late at night for no good reasons at all, besides the fact that I was procrastinating. Okay, anyway, so here we got a nitric acid setup. I'm currently distilling over nitric acid. In the first flask here, we have potassium nitrate and sulfuric acid. You can use any nitrate salt for this, but I find potassium nitrate to be the best for this application, in my experience. And so, yeah, in the flask we have the sulfuric acid and the potassium nitrate. We have it on a hot plate here, set to max. I find about max is around the point where I can boil off water with this hot plate, and that's actually a little over the temperature we need, but that's fine. And then that goes through here, distills off into that beaker. So if you look into the flask right now, you can see there's a lot of that red gas in there. And that is, I'm guessing, the nitrogen dioxide right now. And so yeah, so we're heating it up, we boil off the nitric acid, it condenses, and we get it in that flask. So yeah, that's the current setup. This is not a full nitric acid video. I plan on doing like a full nitric acid video in the future where I talk about nitric acid, how it works, all the cool stuff you can do with it. That's not this video. This video is actually going to be a backup video. Just a quick short video that gives you a little bit of content, something to look forward to in the future, just in case, as a backup video, just in case I'm not able to put a full-on video up. So yeah, so hopefully everything goes well, and I hope to see you in the next video where I try some stuff out. So have a good day, and I will see you later.